Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change who can see your current experience in the Roblox app on your Android phone. This is a quick and easy way to control your privacy settings, so let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on the More icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, click on Visibility and Private Servers. Then, choose Visibility. Then you find Show Current Experience. Finally, you can choose who can see your current experience from the list of options available. And that's it. Changing your visibility settings in Roblox is quick and easy, giving you control over your privacy. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.